I'm walking my dog. And there's no one here. It's like, no. Guys, walang tao sa park. It's like during the afternoon kasi pakatapos lang ng rain. And naglalakad galing kung orientation. Orientation doesn't like, yeah, tinan mo. So good to walk here without anyone just here. Alam mo, sarap tumakbo right now. This, guys. Oh my gosh! Like, first time ko mag-video na. Pero ano. Bakit to, guys? Oh. Tapos may sabihin. It's just so freaking. Ang sarap maglakad pagtapos ng ulan. Oh, walang tao. Yes, guys. Kalila ko. Guys, I'm back to the routine. Yeah, guys. All alone again. It's Saturday. Guys, walang ipapisan. Sobrang hangin lang. Yeah, sobrang init. I love it. Guys, this is gonna be the real. So, I'm here again after a freaking long time. So, walang pasok for like 5 days for us kasi nag-suspend sila yesterday and there is no freaking. It's been a long time since I do this vlog again. You see, it's tag-ulan again and basa na naman siya. And you see here, we have, guys, you see, that is like, yeah, malapit na yung ocean depth. Yeah, guys, wala na akong masabi. Ang foggy dun, oh. Nakikita yun din sa salamin ko, guys. Maybe should let this. So, guys, ala! So, yeah. Are we faded lovers? So, it's been a long time. It's been a long time since I got dancing. Okay. Yun lang, guys. Vlogger things.